Hello, parents. I am Michael Howard. I am your child's social studies teacher for this semester, and I wanted to welcome you to our virtual open house. Um, just a little bit about myself. I've been at Washington now for 13 years. I have 23 years in education. I'm married. I have two children, and that's something that we have in common. We both love our children, and we have hopes and dreams for our children. And I know it starts with education. I want you to know that you're putting your children in the hands of somebody that cares, and I want to make certain that we do what's best by your child. Um, so that's why it was important for me to meet you today. Um, one of the greatest values that I have for my parents, and you probably grew up just like this as well, is the relationship building that we can start just from communication. Um, I want you to know that I'm here for your child and I'm here for you. And I need to make certain that my lines of communication with you are very strong. Um, that's how I grew up. That's what I believe in. Um, we are a team, and I'm a part of your village. And I have to make certain that when it's time for me to communicate, um, we have strong lines of communication. So, two of the communication needs that we would have accomplished during um, open house is I would have had you signed up for Remind 101. As you can see, it's just a safe way for teachers to text message students and stay in touch with parents. That's something that I'll do very quickly. It'll be a short message, and it's just one of the systems that I have in place to make certain that my parents are informed. So, in order to join Remind, you have to use your phone, or you can use your computer or any mobile device. What you would have to do is text 81010, and the message that you would enter is at EGEBEB. Again, in order to join Remind, it is text 81010, and the message that you would enter is at EGEBEB. It's that simple. Okay. Now, the second parent teacher communication tool that I'm urging parents to sign up for, it's just a quick survey. Um, a quick survey that will just give me just a little bit of information, a little bit more information about you. Um, and in order to answer like this 5 question survey, it does not take long. It will probably take you no more than about a minute or two. You have to enter a particular uh, website. So, in order to access the survey, you go to the browser and you enter bit.ly /2Z, that's a capital Z, capital N, capital G, that's a 0, capital E, and lowercase b. Again, in order to complete the 5 question survey, it is bit.ly /2Z N G 0EV. Hey, that's all I have for you. I hope that this is the start of a wonderful relationship. I'm looking forward to teaching your child, and I'm looking forward to contacting you soon. Thank you. Have a blessed day.